Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Hacks. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video today I will show you beautiful haircuts and hairstyle. Haircuts will change your personality and volumize your hairs. So my dear friends, let's talk about today's trendy fashion about hairs. Haircuts, hair color and short hairs are today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will cut your hairs, you will color your hairs into different style and different sizes like layer cutting, shaggy haircuts, layer fine haircuts, pixie haircuts, layer curvy cuts, short bob cuts, stub cutting and much more haircuts. These kinds of cutting will change your personality and volumize your hairs and change your personality, look great, gorgeous and stylish. And my dear friends, if you are a new subscribers on my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and to press the bell icon and like my all videos and share it with your friends, family members and all other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of videos do you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much you are watching my video. Thank you once again. Keep supporting me, keep on watching. Till then, take care and